Feed the line behind the fan and inside the eye bracket and up through the fork. Install the banjo bolt with new crush washers at the clutch. Hand tighten and torque to spec. Next, install the two P-clamps, one at the bottom. Be sure to include the pressure sensor switch wires for it. Install the upper P-clamp. Hand tighten the fastener. And torque to spec. And then torque the other P-clamp. At the master cylinder, install the banjo bolt with two new crush washers. Start the threads. Set the line just off of the fork and torque to spec. Be sure to install the clutch switch wires. Fill the reservoir with fluid. And draw fluid all the way through the system. Be sure to keep an eye on the reservoir, being sure there's enough fluid in it. At the master cylinder bleeder nipple, install your line and hand bleed until you see no more bubbles coming out the line. Back at the clutch, install your line and hand bleed until you see no more bubbles coming through the line. Wipe the reservoir threads of any residue. Be sure to fill the reservoir in between the low and high lines. Wipe the diaphragm clean and install. Wipe down the support and install it into the diaphragm. And be sure to wipe any residue out of the cap. Install the cap and hand tighten.